Hello and welcome to video number 6, the Super Affiliate Booster Ninja Trick number 1. This method deals with paid bonuses. Basically, you want to give a super affiliate's customers access to one of your other paid products. Now, in order for this to work, you need to make sure that you have a sales page up and are selling this product elsewhere. And you can even use this method by when you create your other bonuses, you can set up pages to actually sell it. And for this reason is because if the customer can see that, okay, this is an actual paid product, they're getting this paid product for free if they buy through somebody else's link. And this works very well and has been tested on high-end products. Now, the low-end should work just as well as long as you follow this rule to avoid any devaluation of your products. That rule is to make sure that the product is the same price or a little over, but not too much. So if your product is a $97 product, you probably want to have a bonus that's $97 to $100 to $200, but a maximum of the double amount. But you probably don't want to have a product that is lower, but if you have a product that is lower, you might want to take a couple products and give them as a bundle. Now, if you don't have a product to give, then another trick is to interview them and package it up with your other interviews with your other super affiliates. You can make it into a product and then give your super affiliates access to the product. This gives them exposure while giving you a quick and easy product to create. Now, if you think about it, if you interview a super affiliate, then you've done a lot of hefty work for them. You've interviewed them, you've created the audios, you've transcribed them, you've created an actual product that they can promote, provide to their customers will enjoy it, they get some free content, and they also get exposure, and that relationship with their list grows. And you can take it one step further and make it viral. You can give them master resale rights after the launch as a thank you. And what happens is they profit from them, but so do their customers. Their customers can resell it, they can make money off of the interview or interviews, and it creates a domino effect. So it's definitely a win-win situation for your super affiliates, for their customers, and for you in the long run. So it also gives you and them consistent exposure in the long term as well. And I found that whenever you interview someone, you remember them and vice versa, even in the long term. So it's a great way to build rapport with the super affiliate. Now, in terms of how to go about doing this, you can use Skype to do interviews if possible. Skype is free, it's really easy to use, and usually has good quality. And you can use a software to record the interview like Pamela.biz. There are other software recording systems out there for Skype, but Pamela.biz is one of the biggest ones. You can get the audio edited and transcribed and use the same information that I talked about in the videos about the reports on bonus reports and getting that transcribed. So you can get it transcribed, find somebody at odesk.com or fiverr.com.